In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book on Agoda using Gcash in 2025. This process is straightforward and convenient, allowing you to make your travel arrangements quickly while enjoying the benefits of seamless online payments. So, let's dive right into it. To start, head over to the Agoda official website, where you'll find a vast array of hotels, rental properties, and travel deals just waiting for you. With over 2 million options, there's something for everyone. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to sign into your account to make the most of the customized features and discounts Agoda offers. Simply click on the sign in button and choose the option to sign in with Google, which should be a breeze if you have your account linked. Once logged in, you're taken back to the Agoda homepage. Here you can begin your search. Enter your destination, travel dates, and any specific preferences to find the best options tailored to you. It's a good idea to use Agoda's various filters to narrow down your choices based on price, star rating, or hotel type, ensuring you find the perfect match for your trip. After you've set your criteria, hit the search button. Agoda will whip up a comprehensive list of available accommodations for your selected dates and destination. Scroll through and browse the options until you land on something that piques your interest. Explore the details, check the photos, see what amenities are offered, and read through user reviews to make an informed decision. When you find the place that matches your needs and budget, click on the Book Now button. This will redirect you to the booking review page where you can double check everything before proceeding. Make sure the dates, location, and room type are correct, and take a moment to review any cancellation policies or additional fees that might apply. Next, it's time to proceed to checkout. Here, you'll be presented with several payment options. This is where you select Gcash as your preferred method of payment. A great choice for those who want to manage transactions digitally without the need for a credit card. When you select Gcash, you will be prompted to log into your Gcash account to authorize the payment. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment securely. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation from Agoda, and you can look forward to your upcoming journey with peace of mind, knowing your booking has been secured conveniently through Gcash. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully booked your accommodation on Agoda using Gcash. Enjoy your trip, and don't forget to check back with Agoda for more amazing travel deals. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.